downloading and submitting assignments on Schoology and Notability. Submitting assignments to Schoology. Think to yourself, will Schoology be more or less important during distance learning than in regular school? Why is it important to submit your assignments? Getting assignments and submitting assignments in Schoology. From Schoology to Notability and from Notability to Schoology. If needed, you can watch these after this video is over. Downloading or getting assignments on iPad. 1. Open your Schoology app. Here. If needed, log in. Select St. Paul Public Schools, exactly as written here. Any other typing or spelling will not work. Log in using your S and your ID number and your Active Directory password, as in here. 2. Using the menu button in the upper left corner, click Courses and click the course you want. For example, Physical Science. 3. Find the assignment you need in Materials and open it. Attachments may have to open like this. 4. In the upper right corner, click the Send To button and click the Notability icon here, here, and here. 5. Notability should be open. If it doesn't, go to your home screen and open it. Select Create New Note at the bottom and Import upper right. Completing or doing the assignment in Notability. Follow the directions given to complete the assignment. Helpful tips. If it asks you to type, click T at the top, this one here, and click somewhere to add a text box. You can drag it or resize it if you need to. Circle or draw something. Click the Draw tool, the pencil at the top, twice if you want to choose pencil size or color. Add a picture, click the plus sign. Choose either photos or take a photo. Press Allow if it asks permission to use your photos, and find or take the photo you need. Go to a website or app, go to that website, log in using passwords given to you, and follow the rest of the directions. Submitting or turning in assignments to Schoology. In Notability, open the assignment you have completed. Part 1, Notability. Press the Upload button or Share button in the upper left corner. Select Other Apps in the menu at the bottom. Select PDF format if needed, here, and then click Share Note. Find and select the Schoology app. It should open, if it doesn't show up right away, by clicking these 3 dots, and it should look like this. Part 2, Schoology. Select Submit to Assignment. Choose which course or class you are submitting it for, and choose which assignment you are submitting it for. It will load, and you're done. Try it. Open Notability. Using the previous slides, set up Notability for your classes this year. Anticipate. Think to yourself, looking at your classes this year, how do you think you could use Notability in each one of them? Talk it through in your head to a partner online or a member of your household.